Alright, this is a 2001 Chevy Silverado 5.3. Changing the air filter on it. So it's going to be located on the left side of your vehicle. So you pop the hood over here on the left. It's going to be this box right here. And so what you're going to do, let me adjust my camera just a little bit. There's a screw right here. A screw right here. There's one down there. See right there, and then there's one over here. You don't have to take them all the way out. You just have to unscrew them until they are loose in here. So you can see I can lift it up a little bit, so the whole thing lifts up. You can take off all this stuff to make it a little bit easier. I just lift this up after I undo all four of those screws. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna get your new air filter, which I got right here. And then you're going to take and you're just going to pry this open a little bit. And this piece right here, this is your old air filter. So you've got to put a little bit of pressure on this to get it off there. And then you can just shimmy it out of there. So you can see how dirty this one is compared to how clean this one is. There's quite a bit of difference to me. So you're going to take and you can just put this one, the new one, right back down in there. I'm gonna push this just a little bit, and it should slide right down in there. And then you're gonna close it up, and then all you're gonna have to do is you take and you just screw these back in there, and that's how you replace your air filter.